But let's get this door open. Man, that's slick. Alright, let's get this bugger untied here. Well, let's get this bugger fired up. Alright guys, well, snowstorm finished. We don't have too much snow on the ground here. Just a little bit, a couple inches maybe. And I am gonna get the four-wheeler out of here. Go for just a quick little spin up and down the road. See how that goes. Hopefully these locks don't ice up. Don't mind my garage. I tried doing paint stripper on that bugger. Because some of the metal flake, that was like that when I moved here, the metal paint was falling off the metal, and I tried doing like acid stripper. I still couldn't get the darn thing off there, so I'm just gonna build a whole new garage here basically after in the future, hopefully in the near future, but we'll see how the world goes with COVID and whatnot. But let's get this door open. Two of them. Then I'll get some, eventually I'll get this E-track put up on the walls, on the floor. Then I'll have room to store stuff and whatnot. Well, let's get this bugger fired up. Oop. Don't scratch it. I gotta put fuel in it too. I might need fuel. Alright, well, I guess we better put fuel in it first. So I was actually surprised it was out of fuel, because all we did was pick it up from the dealer and drove it from their showroom, basically just up and down the parking lot one time, which wasn't even, not even a football field for length, and then right up into the trailer. And then this was the first time starting it after getting it home from the dealer, so I was super surprised it was out of fuel already. I think we ran out of fuel literally like right when we must have loaded this into the trailer. So good thing we didn't play around anymore in the parking lot, or we would have been pushing it in. Put in a couple gallons here and call her good, go for a rip down the road quick. There. I'll leave this set on the side here. Alright, now let's see if it'll start up. stuff. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'll be getting more video of the four-wheeler and stuff here after a